Hello, I'm Sam. Today, I'm excited to take you on a virtual journey to one of China's most breathtaking destinations, Huangshan or Yellow Mountain. Get ready for some stunning views and a sprinkle of humor. Huangshan is famous for its majestic peaks, unique granite formations, and hot springs. Basically, it's nature's version of a five-star resort. As you hike through the misty trails, you might feel like you've stepped into a Chinese painting. Just watch your step, though. Those rocks can be trickier than they look. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel tips and laughs. Join me as we explore the next amazing destination together.